Alright guys, at the first storm chase of the season, hopefully it will not be the last, I guarantee that. It's early May. It's kind of unusual. It's a little chilly. It's about 46 degrees right now. This storm dropped in a matter of about 45 minutes. Had some really good lightning, cloud to ground lightning. There's some heavy rain there in the distance. You get a better shot of that. Turn around here and give you a look. Real dark area over here. It had some rotation in it earlier, but I don't think we're going to be able to produce. There was a good one. Too much. Severe weather. We have tornadoes or anything. That would have been a good one to get right there. See if Mother Nature cooperates with us here. Been 4 or 5 really decent strikes. Unfortunately, I've just not been in the right place at the right time. Again, this is a good looking storm. Little cell we got going in. You can tell we got some blue sky behind it. Wind is picking up a little bit, not too much. So the rain is starting to pick up, it looks like a little bit. Good one, I just didn't capture that, I don't think. Get out of the wind there, guys. It's a little chilly. This is where direction most of the strikes are coming from. You know, if this were, we were a little warmer, this would be a very intense little cell. And it seems to be heading northeast from my position right now. Not really that fast though. Maybe 25 miles an hour. The wind is died down considerably. The rain has stopped for the most part. Pretty jazzed. This is it's May 11th, and I'm got a pretty good little cell coming through. This is north of town, northeast, I should say. Hopefully the camera's doing this justice, just how dark it is. Maybe, maybe not. I've seen some other videos where it doesn't look as dark on the video as it does in person. I'm not really a camera expert, so I don't know why that is. But I think this one is pretty much over with. I will try another location here to see if anything else is going to come of this little cell, but I think it's pretty much over and done, unfortunately. Alright guys, until the next, lightning strikes and the storm rolls through. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button so you get more of these videos. Comment. Love to hear the comments. Either on, like I said, it's my first storm chasing. I will get better at this. I guarantee it, because this is one of my passions. But let me know what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. Love to hear from it, everybody. So yeah, I think this one's worked itself out, guys. Until next time, wonder what's next. I'm out.